Welcome back. We have our spring Harbor Freight super coupons and instant savings updates. We're coming off this parking lot sale. It's still going on tonight, technically. As soon as this comes out, you might have an hour or so to go into your West Coast Harbor Freight. But anyways, we're going to jump into these spring super coupons going through the 23rd of March, and then the instant savings are going through April 10th. So let's zoom out a little bit. And we'll jump right in. So we have this one-stop garden, 6-foot, 8-foot greenhouse, $229.99, $120 off. Predator gas-powered auger, $199.99, $20 off. This 18-inch PVC bristle broom, 11% off, $7.99. This 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, $99.99, $20 off. Can't say if this is better or not. I feel like this should be $10 cheaper. Badland Apex 12,000-pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote, $529.99, $70 off. Icon alert, I will get the boop, 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 boop. Icon alert, 1/4-inch drive, professional swivel head ratchet with comfort grip, $24.99, 28% off. Pretty decent deal, 28% off. I'd like to see that on Icon. I'd like to see that on anything. Pittsburgh 1-ton capacity, foldable shop crane, $239.99, $30 off. That one, all right. Fortress 26-gallon 175 psi ultra quiet oil free vertical shop auto air compressor, $349.99, $50 off. Okay. Predator 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder, $499.99, $80 off. Woo. Atlas 80 volt 2.5 amp hour and 40 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery, $109.99, $30 off. Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top. This was on sale recently. I think it was a little bit more than $50 off, but $50 off, not too bad. Available in 4 colors. Avanti, always on sale, but 28% off. They caught me. I just said that was pretty good. 28% off handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $49.99. High temperature full-size glue gun, $11.99. I'm glad they left it in the wrap to take a picture of it. 29% off. We have Icon the seat. It's been a little bit since this has gone on sale. Maybe not too long. $89.99. No, it's been a little bit cheaper than this before. I think it's gone down to as low as like $60. But $89.99 is not too bad. $25 off. Then we have some more Badland 2,500-pound ATV. The ZXR utility winch with wire rope and wireless remote control, $59.99. 25% off. Bauer 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower, 3 horsepower for a vacuum. Is that crazy? This thing has the power of 3 horses. $29.99, 25% off. Jumbo bike utility hook, $149, 25% off. McGraw 6-gallon 150 psi oil-free pancake job site air compressor, $99.99, $30 off. Another seat, which is always good to see. Pneumatic roller seat, $24.99, 24% off. Hallmaster, 5/16 inch by 20 foot grade 70 trucker's chain, $39.99, 20% off. Gold chain, 15 foot by 19 foot heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant tarp, $25.99, 13% off. There was a 50% off tarps at one point last year. Chief 1/4-inch professional composite straight air die grinder, $44.99, 10% off. US General alert, magnetic socket rail, your choice, lifetime warranty, 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 18% off for $17.99. Greenwood 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $21.99, 21% off. Okay. Drummond 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump, stainless steel construction, 4,400 gallons per hour, $169.99, $20 off. Hallmaster 2 3/4 cubic foot steel trailer tongue box, $104.99, $15 off. Can't say I've seen this. This looks like a new item to me, at least coupon wise. Some more Hallmaster 800-pound capacity full-size truck rack. That's pretty neat. $50 off, $249.99. Bauer 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer, tool only, $79.99, $20 off, or 20% off, however you'd like to look at that. Chicago Electric 120-volt spot welder, $149.99, $10 off. Warrior 12-volt cordless 3/8 inch drill kit with battery and charger, $16.99, 15% off. And then we have Central Machinery, 35 gallon, 2 horsepower, high flow, high capacity, dust collector, $249.99. This looks like a riot shield, $50 off. That's pretty decent. Pittsburgh carbon steel tap and die set, 40 piece, your choice. SAE or metric, 13% off for $18.99. Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit, 11 piece, 28% off. They're spoiling me with the 28% off. $29.99. Some more Hallmaster, 500-pound capacity, steel cargo carrier, $44.99, 25% off. That's pretty decent. Pittsburgh 4,000-pound capacity solid steel auto ramp, $59.99. 14% off the $69.99. Chief professional long barrel air hammer, $119.99, $20 off. Quinn, I don't like seeing it here. Don't like seeing it. 3/8 inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set, 48 piece, only 11% off. So if you want this, go get it right now. If you see this in the future, you missed out, or hopefully you got it. Hallmaster 3,500-pound A-frame. Actually, that's a good time. Please consider liking and subscribing. I try to post these videos ASAP as soon as I possibly can so that you're in tune with which deals are coming out. There's flash sales that Harbor Freight does. Sometimes you don't even have 24-hour notice. Sometimes they let you know the morning of. Anyways, like and subscribe, and I try to procure all the deals for you. Anyways, off my soapbox, Hallmaster 3,500-pound A-frame, weather-resistant electric trailer jack with drop leg, $139.99, $20 off. There's quite a bit of Hallmaster on here. Are they trying to tell me something? They're getting ready for spring? Hallmaster 400-pound capacity, receiver mount aluminum motorcycle carrier, $144.99, $15 off. Okay. Jupiter 3,000 watt continuous 6,000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $269.99, $30 off. Icon Alert Master Interchangeable Puller Set, $40 off, $179.99. This nice looking green and orange Portland 3.5 amp 22 inch electric hedge trimmer, $29.99, 21% off. That's pretty cool. Vanguard 50 foot 12 and 3 gauge multiple outlet extension cord with indicator light, $39.99, 16% off. Bowers 10 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $10 off at $99.99. Hallmaster again, 1,000-pound capacity, 10 inch by 84 inch steel loading ramp set of 2, $74.99, $25 off, 25% off. Drummond 3/4 horsepower non-submersible Supermax 1 inch transfer pump, $139.99, $20 off. Detail brush set 6 piece, $229, 23% off. Okay. Franklin 18 inch 1470 foot high performance stretch wrap, 16% off, $24.99. Atlas 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage standard battery charger, $24.99, 50% off. Okay, not the sexiest thing, but 50% off a charger, I can get on board. Bunker Hill 1,000 lumen solar powered motion activated peel and stick waterproof security light, $24.99, 16% off. Some more Atlas 80 volt brushless cordless 21 inch self-propelled lawnmower, tool only $259.99, $10 off. This Vulcan 10.1 square inch arc safe auto darkening welding helmet, $119.99, $20 off. 8x11 all purpose weather resistant tarp, $5.99, 14% off. Zurich ZR4S OBD2 code reader, $39.99, 33% off. Bauer 15 amp 35 pound 1 1/8 inch hex lower wall breaker hammer, $350, $50 off. Chicago Electric stud welder dent repair, $69.99, 22% off. Some Daytona. I always like to see Daytona as well. Daytona steel floor jack crossbeam, $59.99, 14% off. Nice accessory to have really for any of your jacks, but especially to complement your Daytona jack if you have one. Bauer 9-inch hook and loop drywall sanding discs, 5-pack, $6.99, 41% off. Pittsburgh's half-inch drive impact socket extension set, 4-piece, $6.99, 30% off. Icon Professional Icon Alert mini soft grip pick and hook set, 4-piece, $14.99, 25% off. This is pretty decent. They will have Sales on Icon hand tools probably up to 30%, maybe 40%, but 25% is not too bad. 25% is actually really good. So definitely a good deal here on this Icon. Pittsburgh Mechanics roller seat, $22.99, 23% off. Braun 7,000 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED flashlight with battery bank, 15% off for $54.99. Some US General side tray for 5-drawer mechanics cart, which I want to say is one of the more popular ones. It was just on sale. It's still on sale, the parking lot sale. And the 6-drawer full bank cart, $19.99, 20% off. Some Hercules 14-inch segmented diamond blade, $49.99, 44% off. Yikes, it's a pretty deep discount. Storehouse E-clip assortment, 300 pieces, okay, $4.99, 28% off. Warrior 3/4 inch to 2.5 inch bimetal hole saw assorted set, 14-piece, $29.99, 25% off. Hercules 10 amp, 12 pound. This tool looks corded. SDS Max type demolition hammer with maximum vibration control, $229, only $20 off. Warrior 6-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 12-pack, $6.99, 22% off. Central Machinery 2.5-inch table swivel vise, $19.99, 20% off. Pistol grip blowgun, $3.99, 20% off. Bauer 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet sander, $19.99, 20% off. And here we have a Quinn. The Quinn 3/8-inch drive, low profile sealed head ratchet, $17.99, 18% off. Is unfortunate. Central Machinery 17-inch mini magnetic sweeper, always cool, $10.99, 26% off. Luminar Outdoor 10-inch solar LED, copper finish pathway lights, 10-pack, $14.99, 20% off. Metal .3 30 caliber ammo can, $9.99, 30% off. We have the Pittsburgh Deluxe Lens Renewal System, $9.99, 28% off. Bauer 5.5 amp 15-inch electric string trimmer, $39.99, 14% off. Voyager 20-inch stainless steel toolbox, $14.99, 25% off. Some Gordon, hey, looking at you, Gordon. Multi-purpose scissors, 69 cents. 30% off, was 99 cents. Hey. Pittsburgh 10-pound fiberglass sledgehammer for $22.99, 23% off. Some more Quinn 1/2-inch drive extendable breaker bar. Okay, 33% off. That is a deal, and that was not on sale recently. Hallmasters 13-inch pneumatic tire with black hub, $12.99, 13% off. This McGraw air reciprocating saw, $21.99, 12% off. This really nice Central Machinery 10-inch by 18-inch 5-speed half horsepower benchtop wood lathe, only $10 off, $269.99. Don't have my attention. Hercules 10-inch tool tote with 22 pockets, $19.99, 20% off. Hallmaster 1 5/8-inch solid rubber swivel caster for only 99 cents, 50% off. Hercules 4.5 double row segmented diamond cup wheel, $29.99, 40% off. Whoa. And then as we wind down, Storehouse hitch clip assortment, 150 piece, $4.99, 28% off. Some Doyle, hey, these are nice. Some Doyle 10-inch adjustable soft jaw pliers. Those are always in need. $19.99, 20% off. That's quite a deal. And then Icon Alert, again, 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers, $14.99, 25% off. I think they know how to percentage these off. Last here on the super coupons, on the spring super coupons, Badlands 60-inch farm jack, $94.99 for $10 off. And that's it. Spring into coupons. Monday, March 10th through Sunday, March 23rd. How did the parking lot sale go for you? I hope it went well. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy saving some money. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.